The court case that gripped a nation just a few months ago has already found its way back to the small screen, this time as a scripted movie. Hot take: the Depp/Heard trial will be Tubi's cinematic interpretation of the events leading up to and during Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's infamous defamation lawsuit, and ET has an exclusive first look at the trailer. The film's preview sets the courtroom scene with Depp's lawyer, saying, "Ms. Heard has defamed Mr. Depp by calling him an abuser." The scene then appears to jump backward, reenacting the events that led to a trial. Other scenes from the trailer also suggest the film will portray some of the interactions between the couple when they were still together. The famous 6-week trial began a little over 3 years after Depp filed his $50 million defamation lawsuit against Heard in March 2019 following the Washington Post op-ed she wrote, which detailed how she was the victim of domestic violence. While Depp's name was not mentioned in the article, the piece was published as their contentious 2016 divorce continued to make news headlines. Depp ultimately won the case when the jury unanimously sided with him and awarded him $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. Johnny Depp's attorney Camille Vasquez reacts to Amber Heard filing an appeal. "This video is unavailable because we were unable to load a message from our sponsors. If you are using ad blocking software, please disable it and reload the page." Johnny Depp's attorney Camille Vasquez reacts to Amber Heard filing an appeal, though Terry's support for both sides. "Terry's clearly a favorite here," a news reporter says from outside the courtroom in the trailer. Depp was heavily supported online for the duration of the trial, and his fans celebrated when the jury sided with him. After the verdict, Heard filed to appeal the $15 million in required compensatory and punitive damages. That same week, Depp also appealed verdict that had awarded her $2 million. Both their appeals are now ongoing. The trailer promises to let fans behind the most watched trial of the year. Where the truth lies. Hot take: the Depp/Heard trial will be released Sept. 30 on Tubi. Ellen Barkin's unsealed deposition about Johnny Depp includes explosive new claims. "This video is unavailable because we were unable to load a message from our sponsors. If you are using ad blocking software, please disable it and reload the page."